How to add Adsterra ads in WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your browser and kindly go to this wordpress.com and simply log in or sign in your account in here. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is an open source content management system that enables users to create, manage, and customize websites with ease. And in here, the purpose of adding Adsterra to WordPress is to monetize a website by displaying ads and generating revenue. And now to start adding Adsterra ads on WordPress, the next thing that we need to do in here after signing in our WordPress is simply go to this website called adsterra.com. And you can also start signing in by clicking the sign up button on the top right corner, in which by doing so, you simply choose here either as an advertiser or as a publisher. But just choose the as a publisher, and after that, all you need to do to sign in or sign up is to simply filling out all of this required information such as email, full name, your password, login info, also your payment method, your messenger account, Skype, and many more. And just click these boxes, indicate that you agree to the terms and condition, and click to sign up. And after that, you will be directed on this page. And from here, it will show you the 3 steps on how you can start monetizing your website, such as firstly to add your website, create an ad unit, and also copy and embed code. And now to start doing it, just simply click the add website button on the top panel in here. And in this pop-up window, all you need to do is to simply enter here your website. For example, I'm going to enter google.com. But however, I'm just going to select here or use our website by clicking this view site right here. And after that, just simply copy the link or URL on this page. And upon copying it, again, just simply go back to our page on Adsterra and simply paste here our website. And that is just only for example. Then below you would also select the website category. We have here social, adult social, movies, and many more. And I'm going to choose social. Then below you could also choose an ad unit format. And I'm going to choose pop under in here. Then click add to proceed. And upon doing so, it will show you below here under the record or history that you have now successfully submit an ads unit in here. However, it is currently pending or on process. So we could also start refreshing this page to see if the ads unit that has been submitted has now been successfully processed in here, or we can start using it in our WordPress. Now as you can see from here, it is now being added the unit. By clicking this add unit, we could also choose another one. We could choose another unit in here such as direct link, pop under, banner, and many more. But I'm going to use again the pop under and click the create button. And it is currently reviewing our request. However, we're just going to choose our first add unit in here that has been completely processed. So all we need to do is simply scroll down right here to see that has been active add units and click this get code to proceed. And on this pop-up window, it will show you the native banner that can be replaced anywhere in the page body. And below here, we can simply click this copy code in here. And after copying the code, just simply go back to our WordPress website and click or proceed by clicking on the left side panel the option pages. And we'd also select here these pages and click edit. And after that, to start adding the code, just click the plus button on the top left corner and it will show you in here some of the other options, and just simply click the code option. Upon doing so, just simply paste here the code that we just copy from Adsterra. And all we need to do is to simply save it or publish it directly by clicking the save button on the top right corner to proceed. And upon entering here, you should see here also the ads that has been generated by Adsterra. However, since we just enter here the website of our WordPress, there is no effect of any other website ads in here from Adsterra. But again, that's the same process on how you can start adding here an Adsterra ads to our WordPress. So you could also publish it directly to your website in here. And by integrating Adsterra with WordPress, site owners can easily set up ad placements without the need for extensive technical knowledge, in which this will help to turn website traffic into a source of income while providing relevant ads to visitors. And as you can see on Adsterra in here, you could also set up the color of the font, the sizes, the type of banner widget in here, and many more, in which this will help to turn website traffic into a source of income while providing relevant ads to visitors. And it also offers targeting options, performance tracking, and flexible payment methods, making it an appealing choice for bloggers, marketers, and website owners looking to monetize their sites. So again, it is so easy to start embedding a code in here from Adsterra ads to our WordPress page in here and click the publish button or save button on the top right corner to save the changes. But overall, that is just how you can start adding Adsterra ads in WordPress.